book side by side. So let's continue. Let's start with the back exercises. Here I'm sharing the screen. So let's start. The first one, which software is used to create animation? Yes, Gorish. Gorish,
Yes, ma'am. Flash.
which, right. The correct answer is Flash. Clear? So coming upon to the next one. The next is second one. Second is your, which of the following is used to place the graphics and drawings? Karthik. Which of the following is used to place graphics and drawings? Karthik. Yes, Karthik.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Answer is,
Ma'am, stage.
yeah, right. The correct answer is stage. Coming upon to the third one, which tool is used to draw flowing curves? Let's ask this answer from Chehek. Yes, Chehek. Which tool is used to draw flowing curves? Pencil, pen, or line?
Yes,
Yes, the answer is, speak, Chehek.
ma'am, I'm speaking.
What is the correct answer? Which tool is used to draw flowing curves?
Pen tool.
Right, the correct answer is pen tool. Coming upon to the next one, which tool is used to make freehand drawing? Drishti.
Ma'am, pencil tool.
Right, which tool is used to make freehand drawing? The correct answer is pencil tool. Coming upon to the next one, Guneet. Guneet. Next one, which is the shortcut key for paint bucket tool? Yes, Guneet, do you know the answer?
K.
Right, the correct answer is K. The
Ma'am,
shortcut,
K.
right, the shortcut key is K. Shortcut key for paint bucket tool is K. Coming upon to the next slide. Next one is Flash CS6. These are your blanks. Flash CS6 is an dash software. Let's ask this answer from Samriddhi. 6A. Samriddhi, Flash CS6. Unmute yourself, Samriddhi. Okay, let's ask this answer from Savya. Savya, Flash CS6 is an dash software.
Flash CS6 is an animation software.
Right, Flash CS6 is an animation software. Coming upon to the next one. Next blanks. Let's ask this answer from IPSA. Dash is the area where we can create drawings.
Ma'am, stage.
Right, the correct answer is stage. Stage is the area where you can create your drawings. Coming upon to the next one, third blanks. Let's ask its answer from, okay, Naman. Okay, let's ask this answer from Jalashvi. Jalashvi, dash tool is used to draw smooth curves.
Ma'am, pen.
Dash tool is used to draw smooth curves. Pen, right. So pen, with the help of the pen tool, students, you can draw the smooth or the flowing curves both. Clear? Coming upon to the next blanks. Okay, so let's come upon. Dash tool is a freehand selection tool. Ananya. Unmute yourself, Ananya. Dash tool is a freehand selection tool.
Ma'am, lasso tool.
Right, the correct answer is your lasso tool. Coming upon to the next one, the last blank, the shortcut key for the drawing tool is, for drawing line is, Mitarti. Unmute yourself, Mitarti. The shortcut key for drawing line is, the correct answer is N. When you have to draw the shortcut, the line, the correct shortcut key used for it is N. Clear? So coming upon to the true and false statements. Shubh. Unmute yourself and answer the first statement. Text tool is used to type the text on the stage. Is it true or false?
Ma'am, true.
Right. Correct. First one is your true. Second, let's ask its answer from Jason. Jason, the second statement, the shortcut key for pen tool is P. Unmute yourself, Jason. Very good. Let's ask the answer from the another student. Arshia. Arshia. Unmute yourself, Arshia. The second one, the shortcut key for pen tool is P. Okay, let's ask Chehek. Yes, Chehek.
Yes, ma'am.
The shortcut key for pen tool is P.
True.
Right, it is true. Coming upon to the next statement. You cannot draw curved lines in Flash. Okay, Harmeet. You cannot draw curved lines in Flash. The correct answer is false. Right. The next one, you can change the color of the line by using the properties panel. Okay, I'm asking this question to Aditya of 6th A. Unmute yourself, Aditya. Yes, Aditya. Unmute yourself. You can change the color of the lines by using the properties panel. Vidarthi, do you know its answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Answer is, you can change the color of the lines by using the properties panel. The correct answer is true. Coming upon to the next one, fill color tool is used to fill color in objects. Fill color tool, this is false because fill color is not a tool, it is a property. Clear? Fill color tool is not a tool, it is a property. So this statement is false. Clear, everyone? Coming upon to the next one, match the columns. So here is a list of the options available. You have to match the tools with their correct picture. First is your lasso tool, which is the correct one. Ipsa,
Yes, ma'am.
the correct one is
C part.
C part. The first matching lasso tool is your C part. Clear? The next one, let's ask the pen tool. Pen tool, let's ask it from Jasmeet. Jasmeet, pen tool. Which is the correct picture of pen tool?
D part.
Speak again, beta.
Ma'am, D part.
Right, D part. It is the correct answer. D part, pen tool is your D part. Coming upon to the third one, eraser tool. Ananya. Ananya,
Yes,
eraser
ma'am.
tool.
Ma'am, E part.
Right, E part is your eraser tool. The next, coming upon to Devang. Pencil tool.
Ma'am, pencil tool. Ma'am, pencil tool A.
A part. And the fifth one, that is your paint bucket, that is your B part. Clear, everyone? So this is your match the columns. Now coming upon to the question answers. What is flash? What are the main components of the flash window? So I will be asking the first answer from, okay, let's ask the first answer from Karthik.
Yes, ma'am.
First answer.
Ma'am, Flash CS6 is an animation software package. It is one of the most widely used software for creating animations with images, sound, videos, etc. Flash
Okay.
is also used. Yes, ma'am.
Speak, Karthik.
Ma'am, Flash is also used to create movies, and
Okay.
we can also create.
Okay,
Okay,
so
ma'am.
we can write the answer in an easy language. This is also correct. Flash CS6. Flash CS6 is an animation software package used for creating animations with images, sounds, videos, etc. Clear? Flash
Yes, ma'am.
CS6 is an animation software package used for creating animations with images, sounds, videos, etc. And Karthik, what are the main components of Flash window?
Ma'am, menu bar, tools panel, timeline, stage, and panels.
Right. This is on page number 107 of your book. You are just required to name the components only. No need to give the description, just the components only. Clear? So, first answer is done. Second one, what do you mean by the term stage? Okay, let's ask this answer from next child. Madhav, roll number 28. What do you mean by stage, Madhav?
Ma'am, page number 107.
Right.
This is the part of the Flash workspace. There we can place the graphics and create our drawings or movies.
Okay, so instead of this word, we can write flash. We can write stage is the part of the Flash workspace where we can place the graphics and create our drawings or movies. Clear? Stage is the part of the Flash workspace where we can place the graphics and create our drawings or movies. Done? Next one. Let's ask this answer from third answer. Let's ask it from Jyotin. Yes, Jyotin. Unmute yourself. Yes, third question. What is the use of the brush tool? Jotin?
मैम इसका आंसर मैम पेज नंबर
Speak.
पेज नंबर
On page number. Okay, so let's ask this answer from Savya. Yes, Savya?
Ma'am, page number 111.
Right.
Brush tool is used to draw brush-like strokes and allows you to paint an object with the desired color.
Right. The brush tool is used to draw brush-like strokes and allow you to paint an object with the desired color. Clear, everyone? This is your third answer. So coming upon to the fourth one, let's ask this answer to Shubh. Yes, Shubh. Fourth answer. What is the use of paint bucket tool?
Yes, ma'am, it is on page number 111.
Very good. What is the answer?
Paint bucket tool is used to fill enclosed area of an object with the selected color in a single click.
Speak again, Shubh. Your voice was not clear in between.
Paint bucket tool is used to fill enclosed area of an object with the selected color in a single click.
Right. This is the correct answer. Paint bucket tool is used to fill enclosed area of an object with the selected color in a single click. Dear students, so I'm stopping the screen share. You are required to